It's your boy AD coming for the AV and I'm really repping up Cali 61 where I'm from. So you already know where I'm from, so don't ask me if I'm from Nigeria or Africa. Yes, my mom is Haitian from Fort Pierce, Florida. My dad is Nigerian Jamaican from Opelika, Florida. Me, I'm from Lancaster, California, which is predominantly Hispanics and Blacks. East Dago is predominantly Nigerians and Muslims. So you already know where I'm from. Second of all, yes, I am an actor, producer, model. I just be myself. Right? Therefore, you probably won't see a lot of my original face in my videos. Maybe because I'm ugly. I'll just play. I know I am. You'll see memes that I make, all the stuff I put on my other Facebook page going into my video. So I was reading a lot. I probably read like over, probably maybe a million memes. I read a lot. So therefore, that's what I do throughout my videos. I make digital memes. Last but not least, for those who want to know my name, I can't stand this name. This is my name. Atuanya Alpheus David, or it's Atuanya David Alpheus, because at Bakersfield they had lost my birth certificate, and so my name was changed to Atuanya. So, you already know my name. You already know I came, I saw, I conquered the whole game. So go ahead and let the song just play. And if I drop an album, you already know, just saying.
You see that it's a must we drop gangsta.
Hold up, what's my name?